All right, Benny, you've got that's your battery cable right here. Goes down, damn. Battery cable going down here from the positive side of the battery goes to this side of the starter over here. Damn, I can't hold the light and do it too. Right there is your battery cable. That's your starter right here. Right here. That's your battery cable. If you see the corrugated line, that's where the 30 amp going off the circuit breaker goes. To that same stud. There's a stud up under that little rubber boot right here. Under that little rubber boot right there. It's a pain in the butt to get to. It's easier if you pull the sprocket cover off to be able to get to it. But that's what supplies power to the entire system. Because if it wasn't there, basically you have a battery connected, but the battery's actually not connected to anything but the starter. So you got to have that other line running off of here. The only other wire on there is right on the front of the starter here, and that actually goes to the starter relay. You see where my finger is? It's right on the front of the starter. So when you click the starter button, it actually clicks the relay and sends power through here, which activates the solenoid. That's about it, man. So if you're not getting power anywhere, you need to have power running from there to the circuit breaker. Is where that goes. Or fuse. I can't remember what they use on the 95. Either way, it's either a fuse or a circuit breaker. This bike uses 30 amp circuit breaker. So that's your power, man. Hope that helps. I think it's Friday today. Out here early a little bit. Got to go on a service call later on today. Go look at a Road King trike for a friend of mine. And really that's about it. I'm cutting it short here. I'm not making a long one. I'm not doing like I did last time. You want an oil change and you got a half hour of crap. Well, 22 minutes. So that's it.